Here we are. Home, sweet home.
If I'm gonna stay here, I guess I better make the best of it.
I hope so, Freya. It's what the judge and all of us want.
Oh, I just remembered. I'm gonna meet a friend tonight.
Great. Bring her over.
Not a her, it's a him.
Excuse me?
Don't worry, he's just a friend.
Don't forget the rules.
Yeah.
You didn't have to come.
It was either come here or go back to the nut house.
It's not a nut house. It's a hospital. And the last time it helped you.
Yeah, maybe.
You made a deal. Remember? And these interventions has strings attached. Number 1, you go to Dr. Robson's twice a week. Number 2, no department stores.
Number 3, no going to the bar. Number 4, back by midnight if I do go out. Number 5, no guys, at least for the next 3 months.
That's the deal.
But just one problem. I met Charlie before I made the deal.
What? We said no guys.
Don't be like that. He's really awesome. And he knows a little bit about my problem with picking stuff up. He's gonna keep an eye on me. Won't you at least meet him?
No, that's not what we agreed.
If you won't even meet him, then it's hopeless.
And what's going to happen when this relationship goes pear-shaped?
Who says it will? I'm gonna make it work. Maybe the reason why things always get screwed up is because I'm listening to you lot.
The drug dealer, Phil, would it have been okay if you stayed out of it? Or that one who didn't have a job and kept taking money from you? Or that real shit who tried to pull me while you were in the hospital? Oh, that was fantastic.
I'm such a loser, Carrie. Either I go running off with some weirdo, or I stay here living under house arrest. Maybe I should go back to the loony bin.
I'm not saying that.
Then what are you saying?
I'm saying I think you are making a big mistake. And I'm afraid you are going to get hurt.
Then for God's sake, let me suffer for it. If my heart gets broken, then so be it. I'll be fine.
And what if you are not? What if you rob a shop again and go to prison this time?
Why do you always have to imagine the worst?
Because this stuff happened. And me and Emily and Charlotte, we always get sucked back into the same old trap.
It won't happen this time. I won't let it.
That's what you always say, and nothing ever changes. I'm not having this, Freya. Stick with the deal we all made, or leave now.
Fine.